Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy. Got a couple pieces just came in off of rent. A pneumatic, a backhoe, a couple excavators, a John Deere 700K. A little dirty here. Like I said, just came off rent. This gem is going out, getting ready to go on the water track. Again, if you're looking to rent an excavator or anything like that, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Again, 817-733-3799. Like I said, these need to go through the shop and get ready for the next rentals. SS250 870 GP motor grader. Another John Deere motor grader 770. Again, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Now these babies are ready to go. 308, a PC200 with a hydraulic thumb, our Kobelco 350 with the 8,500 pound hammer on it, a little mini 304, a little John Deere 650 dozer, a nice Cat SS250 or RM250. Got a couple of those on the lot. Two double drum asphalt rollers. A nice 84-inch smooth drum roller. And our brand new addition, the Case pneumatic. Again, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you and God bless.